Hello everyone and welcome back to the Sugarpill YouTube channel. My name's Autumn and today we are here with Rebecca Seals.
I'm so excited. Hi everybody.
You guys, if you don't know Rebecca, you need to check out her Instagram. It's insane. You have the most amazing eyebrows. Her precision and her colors is insane.
Oh my god, you're so sweet.
Yeah, she's an amazing makeup artist. You have to check her out. Today we're gonna do another Sugarpill Showdown. It's gonna be a good one. So if you guys have not seen Sugarpill Showdown before, this is how the game's played. We have this amazing jar full of sticks. Each one of these sticks has the name of one of our eyeshadows on it. So Rebecca's gonna pull 3 sticks and then—
So nervous.
They're all good colors, it's okay.
Of course they are.
So Rebecca's gonna pull 3 colors and then we're each gonna create different looks using the same 3 colors.
Can I do it now?
Oh yeah, you wanna go? Yes. Go right ahead.
I don't wanna be a little cheater.
Great. All right, what do we got?
Okay, I got Love Plus.
Ooh, okay.
I'm so excited. Penelope and heart-shaped cookie. This is perfect.
This is a really great color combo.
Oh my god.
And you can use as many other colors as you want to.
So
you know.
sick.
I'm starting with Buttercup Cake.
Oh, you're just going in.
I am. I'm going straight in.
I'm gonna be safe and I'm gonna start with taco.
You can't go wrong with taco though.
No, you seriously can't. It's so nice to just like set the primer, and whenever I do like a white face for like body paint, it's seriously the best to set it with. Oh my god, it just adds so much extra coverage.
Yeah, taco's like the perfect matte white.
It's almost pigmented white I can find as well, and I know those are really hard to formulate, so I really respect that.
Good job, Amy. Tell us a little bit about yourself. When did your love of makeup start?
Probably when I was like a fetus. I was like always stealing my mom's makeup. There's pictures of me, like literal Polaroids of me in like dark purple lip gloss. It's like feathering too, so like one side's up here, and then it wasn't cute, but it was kind of cute.
Wait, so since you said you used to steal your mom's makeup, you just told me before this that you used to steal all sorts of makeup when you were 12.
Why would you tell people that? I did. It was when I was in 7th grade and I used to steal makeup from like Walgreens. I'm so sorry, Walgreens, please don't sue me. But yeah, like I don't know. Me and my family I couldn't really afford to buy makeup. And plus they gave you like, felt so cool because I was like a scene kid back then, so I was like hashtag edgy.
Like we all were.
Yeah, I thought I was so cool. I was like, ooh, I got this mascara for $3.99. But now I regret it so bad. Like I feel so bad. Like I thought about it.
Were your parents supportive of you wearing makeup at that age?
Oh, I thought you were gonna say supportive of me stealing. I was like, no, they didn't know. My mom is actually a special effects makeup artist, so she was super supportive of it. Okay, so I went in with heart-shaped cookie first. I'll literally blend a transition shade for like 6 hours before I go in. It's really bad.
No, your blending's like impeccable though, so I'm not surprised.
Are you trying to get with
there?
me?
I mean, maybe.
It's okay.
I know you have a fiance, but
I'm not married yet.
you seem to like start low and then build up, and
yeah,
I was just like,
you're just like going in there.
Yeah, I already have Love Plus in here. Like, all right, let's go.
All right, I'm gonna go in with Love Plus on my lid. I thought about like doing a cut crease, and I'm like, nah, I just want to blow it out and like be on fire. This girl is on fire. A lot of people I feel like are scared to do like red and green because it like reminds them of Christmas, but I just think it's such a pretty color combination. It shouldn't be shunned to like 1 month of the year.
It makes me think of fruit.
Yeah,
before
like
it makes me think of Christmas.
God, what is
strawberries or
one fruit? There's like a Oh, I should add black dots. Oh, I'm creeping.
Don't watch me. I'm so nervous now. Great, thank you.
Seducing Autumn, one sword at a time. And then
fiance sounds like a very lucky man.
I don't know how I got him. I really don't. But I am very thankful.
All right, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Ghosted.
Ooh.
Because I want that highlight. So what's your process like when coming up with all of your looks? Like, do you plan things out at all? You literally just wing everything?
Literally, not everything. Like, I'll get like inspired for stuff, but it'll be super random. And it's like, I'll be laying in bed like right before I go to you know, sleep, and something will like pop in my head because I'll be thinking about the day. And then I'll like write that down quickly in my notes, or if I see like an interesting color combination like at the grocery store, like literally anything. I just get inspired by daily life mostly, and I feel like the people and the artists and the literature and just like things like that you surround yourself with in life are really influential to your work as well.
Who and what are your biggest inspirations?
Oh my God, that's so hard. When I first started Instagram, it was Dominique. Dominique was so, or she still is like so influential, and she's just like, you could tell by looking at her work like how like beautiful and like intricate her soul is. And I know that sounds so weird, but like it's just beautiful. Her dot work, I feel like she really was the pioneer for all of that, you know? That's why I love doing dots so much, because of her, and it's just such like an interesting and fun concept.
Yeah.
Penelope is so pretty. I like that it's like warmer than Goldilocks. And it just has that like gorgeous like copper undertone.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's more of a copper.
Goldilocks was like, dude, when I saw that, it looked like pretty much like gold and diamonds mixed together. I feel like this eye reminds me of like Mardi Gras. I worked at Sephora for a little bit, and then I started getting really busy within freelancing, and then I worked under someone, and she was really nice. I just didn't like it. I just felt like more confident and able working for myself, and I just enjoyed it more because you get to pick your clients.
Yeah.
And I felt like more of a genuine connection that way. So like meeting up with people, even though it's what I love doing, I just felt it made my anxiety a lot worse, so I had to stop.
Yeah.
So, but it's something I still love to do, and I will still do it quite frequently. I love to do weddings. A lot of people hate doing weddings. I love doing weddings.
I was gonna say a lot of people hate it.
A lot of people hate it, but ever since I got engaged too, I'm just like, I want to do your makeup while you get married, you know? It's such an honor to do that for somebody, so.
Are you gonna do your own makeup for your wedding?
I really didn't want to. I really wanted to like entrust somebody with that, but I have too many trust issues.
I was gonna say
Yeah, I can't do that. I can't do that, so. But at the end of the day, the most important thing is like I'm there to marry this person.
Yeah.
And like I could look like literal trash, and Steven would probably still cry. So that's all that matters to me. Yeah, that's all that matters.
I like that you're like, he's the one who's gonna cry.
Oh my God, I'm gonna bawl like a baby back biatch.
Aww.
But I'm gonna do it before I do my makeup. Because I'm not gonna play myself.
So what do you do full time then?
I do Instagram full time, and I create a lot of advertisements for brands that I love. I only try to work with brands that I use and that I actively love. I really wanted to get into forensics, but I hate school so
Forensics
much.
like CSI, or forensics like speaking?
No, like CSI, like blood spatter and like all that. I always thought that was like super interesting.
Do you love murder shows? Like murder podcasts?
Do. It's literally.
Do you listen to My Favorite Murder?
No.
Oh God.
But I'm most definitely gonna check it out.
Oh
my God.
Not a sponsor.
I'm excited to put on lashes. SUGARPILL makes some of my favorite lashes.
Ooh, which one's your favorite?
Honestly, I have to look at them because I keep them in all the House of Lashes.
Oh my God, wait.
Oh my God, yes!
I need to add a highlight, which I'm gonna use more Ghosted.
Yes. Oh my God, I want to use that.
I'm all about it.
I'm ready.
All right. Are you ready?
Thick brush. I'm ready.
It shows up so well on camera.
Oh wow.
Yeah, what do you think? This is your first time using it.
I'm a little shook. I'm a little shook right now.
I
just like wasn't expecting it.
I could bathe in this.
The shifts are very interesting. It's not like just pink. It's more of like a bluish pink.
Yeah, it's got like violet and red like sparkles in it, but it's got more of that violet shift to it.
Yeah.
So it comes out to be a really interesting color. Lash time.
Yes. One thing that I do that kind of like annoys me sometimes, but it always makes the process worth it, is just like obsessively like going back and blending. Like I'm sure you saw me do it like 80 times, but I just like keep doing it. I just like everything to look smooth and
you don't want it to look like unfinished.
Yeah, exactly. And I feel like I have like extremely hooded eyes, and I know it doesn't look like that in my photos sometimes, but that's just like due to angles and stuff. I feel like having that disadvantage has really helped me as an artist because it's been really challenging. Like you truly have to have like the best eyeshadow primer and like the best shadows, and I just feel like that kind of like helps you point those things out, because if it works on your eyes, it's gonna work for everyone else.
Oh, definitely. So your advice is get hooded eyelids
And be the best.
Work with your disadvantages.
Yeah, exactly, and let that like make you, you know, if you like don't like your nose, you know, like contour it till you get there. I mean, I haven't figured it out yet, but like it sure made me a better artist, you know. God, I could highlight with this forever. Like I just like love going in lightly, but I'm just like, I was just like, ooh. It blends out really nicely too. Like if you kind of want to just like pat a little bit of it out, it works with you instead of against you. To get the perfect eyeshadow blend, you should use at least 3 to 4 shades.
Yeah.
For it to be absolutely seamless, for sure. I would say that's like my biggest tip, because like I would always just try to, even if they were like the best eyeshadows in the world, like it's still gonna look better with one more shadow, you know?
Right.
I can't believe I've never tried these before.
Yeah, they're amazing.
Oh my God.
New favorite. All right, I'm going in with some Tinseltown by Lit. You're secretly, well, maybe not even so secretly, but you're a total nerd.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad.
What are your fandoms? What are you just like so in love with?
I really love independent gaming. Steven's actually an independent game designer, and
This is her fiance.
Yeah, he's my fiance. So proud of him. It's like, it's bad.
What you using?
You know what I'm using.
What you using?
I love the smell of your lipsticks. It's like creamsicle heaven.
Yeah, I think that's just the right amount of scent too.
I think it's so cool. The longer you wear this color, the more the reflex come out. Oh my God.
Yeah, if you just kind of pat it with your finger a little bit too, it brings a lot of the gold out.
Honestly, I want to say nurse. I'm gonna dab a little bit of Penelope in the middle.
Ooh, okay, get fancy.
That's fun. Ooh, that's pretty, you guys.
All right, you guys, these are the finished looks. This was a good one. I'm really, really pleased with the results.
This was really, really fun.
Beautiful.
I love the disco dots underneath. Seriously,
Thanks.
It's like so eye-catching. I feel like it complements like all the colors.
Yeah.
It's so pretty. I trimmed the ends of the Harris lashes, and whatever I didn't use, I just ended up putting on underneath. And I'll do that sometimes. But I feel like when they really flare out like they do and they're like really, really wispy, it looks so much better than just like a clunky lash.
I love the pop of acid berry that you added.
Yeah.
Because I think with warm tones, people don't always pull in things like greens and blues, but it works really well, especially with your blue eyes. It's kind of like a nice like transition of cool and warm tones together. I knew we were working with warm tones. I mixed in purple because I knew I was gonna throw the yellow tones in, and purple and yellow are just such a great combo.
I love it. It reminds me of like monarch butterflies. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I love that.
Be sure to like this video. Let us know in the comments below who you'd like to see on here next time. Is there anyone you would like to see?
I would love to see ultraviolet makeup.
It'd be a good one.
But yeah, it was so much fun. Thank you so much for having me. This is literally the best time I've had in filming.
Oh, good. I'm glad.
So I had so much fun.
Yay! Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.